Hey, what's up, guys? Bueller Trades here again, and just going over the daily stock watch list for March 16th. And I was going through the plays, and I had set these levels, the break above levels, super passive because I didn't want anyone playing calls. Today was just too aggressive, and it's Monday. I want everyone to get a good feel for how the week's gonna open. So far, super red. But for SPY and Apple, they stayed between my levels. So I'm glad no one played these. Now there was a lot of movement. There was a lot of. Now you could have scalped calls here, no problem off the list, but it's good to just stay out of these. I posted in chat to be a little patient because we didn't know what was going to happen here, and we got halted for the first 15 minutes or so, 5 minutes, whatever it was. But yeah, as you can see, Apple and SPY stayed between my levels. They were like down here and up there, so you wouldn't have been able to play those, but that's perfectly fine. But I went to go check out Beyond. Beyond was really good for longs, actually, which is surprising. I did that movement SPY did, except a little quicker and exponentially more compared to my levels that I set. So let's say Beyond. That was the break above, right? Oh no, break above was 69. Okay, you wouldn't even have played that. The break below was 63. My bad. Kind of use that level as support. But right at open, you wouldn't have been able to play that because we were halted and those two uncertainties. So I guess Beyond was also a bust. BA was the only winner. Just totally fine. I don't expect every list to be crazy, especially on a Monday or Friday. And I'm going to be choosing way more passive levels in those days. Not to really get away from losses, but just to not lose. I mean, there's no point in betting your whole account on a Monday or Friday just because you need to make money. You don't need to get rich. You just need to stay in the game and you stay consistent. So it's good to play a little lighter on Mondays and Fridays, in my opinion. The BA 156. So you wouldn't even have played longs at all. Level's way up here, but this was the short level. So that's why I say be patient. The patient play wins because, yeah, I mean that's kind of just give or take there. I would definitely. I've been saying wait till about 10 is what I've been saying. 10 to 12 is a good range for these lists lately. The crazy market that we're in. Even use it as a rejection. So either of these spots would have been a good entry. Honestly, seeing it reject that, then set your stop loss a little above it or on that. Then you wouldn't even have been faked out here. You would have caught the big move rest down to the day. SPY didn't do that though. SPY went in a big mountain. Went up, down. It definitely did a lot. Most of its movement was pre-market though. That's crazy. That's a crazy rebound thing to do that. After hours should be a little dead, but pre-market tomorrow should be hot. Tuesday at market open should be very hot. I'm expecting a red open, a very similar day. I'm expecting a green end of this week, but I really think that we're going to have more red coming right after. I don't think we're just going to continuously fall red, but I don't think we're going to continuously just go up and down. I think there's going to be some play. So I can't wait for more closer to the end of this week. I'll definitely be uploading a video on what stocks I'm going to get into when the dips finally to here. Because this is a falling knife. I mean, we don't need to be catching this. Let's just go to the 30-minute. I mean, you don't need to be getting in that yet. I can definitely go more. You don't want to be that guy. Because there's people trying to call the dip here. There were people trying to call the dip here. We don't need to be that guy. Let's catch it when it finally decides to curl up. I mean, that's a lot of volume. Today was a little different. Oh, that's the week. Sorry, that's why that's off. Today's volume was a little lower, but it was red. We got a lot of volume on this sell-off. Till we can get back down to these kind of levels, and we're smoothing off, doing a little hook or fish hook, as I should say. That's when I'll probably start getting the calls and long calls into 2021 and farther. You don't want to be in there too early. But yeah, that was the daily stock watch list. Hopefully tomorrow's a little better. Like I said before, Mondays and Fridays are more passive. But make sure to like the video, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.